This is the 2025 Toyota RAV4 and it's one of the best in its class. And today we're going to be spending the day with it to find out why this car is the best in its class. I picked up the car from the dealership and here's what happened when I got into the 2025 Toyota RAV4. I can barely feel the heated seat of this car. Is it just me? I can't feel it. The heated steering wheel, I can barely feel it as well. But what's going on? I got into the car and you won't believe what I noticed. Honestly, when I go into the car, it doesn't feel as premium. When I was in the 25 Mazda CX-5, bro, I sat in that car, it felt like I was in like a $100,000 car. This one, it feels not that luxurious. It feels like luxurious. Bro, I'm so broke that I can't even pronounce luxurious. But it doesn't feel as as luxurious, as expensive as the Mazda CX-5. It just feels meh. The interior of the 25 Toyota RAV4. Coming here, we have memory seats, the door controls. We have this cubby space that doesn't even fit this water bottle. It's like very small. I don't know. Here we have the safety features, camera, heated steering wheel, whatnot. If we come here, we have this digital display that looks really nice. I wish the car came with heads-up display, but it doesn't have it. Here, coming to the steering wheel, it feels really nice, feels really luxurious. Ooh, toasty. But we have the hands-free driving system and the cruise control system. Coming here, we have this nice touch screen. It's a JBL. And it also comes with a JBL sound system. We have the climate control here that comes with heated seat and ventilated seat. Wireless charging pad here, gear selector, mode, blah blah blah. I said blah blah blah. Your mode selector, your old whatever, look here, you will see it, you understand it, you have brain. Come on. Here we have two cup holders that fit here perfectly. It's just extremely large for God knows why. And then we have this big ass cubby space. Also, one thing I like about this car is that here, one thing I like about this car is it has this small cubby here, for the passengers to put whatnot, and we have this. And also, this thing trips me out. The rear view mirror, it's digital and it's analog, and it's like you're looking at it and then you flip it and it's like it's looking for you. I don't know, it's a bit trippy, but yeah. Come on, let's take a look at the back seat and see what it has to offer. Taking a look at the back seat, bro, first thing when I get here, it feels very spacious. Way spacious than the 2025 Mazda CX-5. See the legroom. My whole finger can go. More than enough. Headroom. More than enough. Here it has heated seats. This is not leather, faux leather, plastic, whatnot. We have two vents, which is good. We also have a USB Type-C port here. And we have two cup holders here, which is nice. Bro, this back seat is actually quite spacious. This car is way more spacious than Mazda CX-5. The seats, they also recline. You can sit up like this. You see it's up right now, then you can recline it. So just a little, this thing, it doesn't go more than this. Oh, it goes more. This is it, and then boom, you can recline it a bit. Not bad. Let's take a look at the trunk. So taking a look at the trunk. The trunk is quite spacious. A good amount, a good size, way bigger than the 2015 Mazda CX-5. Let's do the AB trunk test. Let's see if it fits me. Let's go. Oh my leg. See, no problem. Close it. See this, and it's powered. The trunk is powered. It's powered and it's nice as well. And then you can put the seats down if you want more space at the back here.
Sometimes it be like that.
The truth about the suspension of the 2025 Toyota RAV4 I expected it to not be the best, but honestly, it's even way better than the Mazda CX-5. It is. It's like it absorbs the bumps really well. It's like you're driving on cloud 9. On clouds, I mean, not cloud 9. You're driving on clouds. It's actually good. I didn't expect it to be this good, but it's good. I tested the power of the 2025 Toyota RAV4 and here's what happened. Speed limit 70. Hit it. It goes. That was like half pressure on the pedal and it goes. Not gonna lie. It moves, but it has less horsepower than the Mazda CX-5, I believe, but it actually goes. And that was like half pedal. Not bad. I could feel the torque a bit.
The hard drive, I'm ever caught in traffic. Don't let a label
Alright, so taking a look at the front end of the 25 Toyota RAV4. If you look here, we have this LED daytime running lights, the Toyota logo, this mesh that looks nice with sensors and whatnot, the bumper, you know, the headlights, they have like this mean looking eye that makes the car look quite mean. If we come to the side, we have this 17-inch tire, these winter tires, Canada, winter, snow, as you can see. You know, we have flooding here, nice mirror. Honestly, it looks boxy. It looks like a box. Coming to the back, you know, we have this sloping down box-like looking car with this small ass spoiler, dual tip exhaust. You know, another LED. It's not bad looking, but it just looks like a box. It's okay. It's not like great, but the CX-5 looks better.
We're on our way back to the dealership, and here's what happened when I tried the JBL sound system of the 2025 Toyota
Let's see what it
RAV4.
sounds like. It's a JBL system, so it should be good. It's okay. It's nothing to write home about and be like, oh, it's amazing, you know? It's like, it's okay. It gets the job done. It's nothing special. The 2025 Mazda CX-5 sounded better than it, not gonna lie. What do you think, Paisha?
Yeah.
The
Mazda CX-5 sounded way better.
Yeah, it was really well. Like, I'm enjoying the feel, I'm enjoying the response I'm getting from the car. You know, not much road noise. There's road noise, but it's not a lot. This is the noise you're hearing is from the vents. Let me go down a bit. It's from the vents. Not much road noise, honestly. I like the feel. They tuned the car well. Everything working accordingly. It's nice. The driving experience is what feels premium. The driving experience.
There's a war outside, but it's internalized. Different struggles in these.
Alright, so the day is done. We're pulling up to the dealership now. And I just want to talk about if whether or not you should get. Can I turn here? I should be able to turn here, yeah? If whether or not you should get this 2025 Toyota RAV4. Honestly, my experience with the car was quite pleasant. I enjoyed the car. Not gonna lie. It's the driving experience is great. The interior doesn't feel as premium for what you will pay, but definitely you should get it. If I'm scoring this with the AB score, I will give this a B+. I give it a B+, man. See you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and peace out.